So hi guys, and welcome to the second part of my tutorial for Macro Scheduler Pro. This will be an introduction to the console. My name is William Madison, and let's get started. So where we left off was basically we created a little script, run a button, and counted how many clicks there was, and if we wanted 100 clicks we would just put in 100 and then click the minor and it would minus 100 clicks, just like so. Now we're going to create a standalone program for that. So what I will do is I will create an exe. This is for the pro version only, or if you have like a trial version of the compiler, and then you can try this out for 30 days. And we'll make sure that this box here, create console app, is switched on. We will make sure the compile includes, we will disable logging, we won't create a system tray icon, and we will copy the runtime DLLS and the BMP subfolder as well. We will put that here and we'll call it test compiler exe, and then we hit OK, and then you'll see like a window like this appear, and that means the program's compiling. And this will be the console here basically, and then it's just saying OK to save. And what we'll do now is we will go in here and we will say, like, so in the check minor tool we want it to write. So under code builders, under console app functions, we've got SO write line. So when we click that button we get a window that appears like code builder, and then here we can write in what we want to appear. So it's checking minor total. And it puts that code in there for you. And under here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this bit of code so that I can just paste it here and then write checking minor total complete. And here I'll also put in what the minor total is. So and that's all we need for that. And then in the second one we will be counting clicks, so we'll tell it to that we are storing clicks to memory. We are also adding current click. We will say that click has been added. Oh, my bad. We'll paste that in and say updating menu, and menu updated all clicks stored. And then the last one, we'll put in checking minor status. We'll put in here minor status check complete. Here I'll put in minor running. at it. Minor goal reached. It tells us that the count of clicks has reached the minor total, and here we will just say minor not activated, or minor deactivated. Just change the label there so that this goes to a different place. And in there we'll put one. And in there we'll put one. So here we'll put the label for this. And yeah, that seems to work. So minor will be deactivated there. Minor goal reached heads to here. Cut that out of there, paste to here, and just say just send the update the minor total and reactivate, because that'll be telling you you've stopped. And we'll basically save this and export it as the same exe again. And the console here is rendering out. And then what I'll do is I'll open that up. So it's saved out. Here we have text compiler. And we'll see we have my click counter menu and the console for it. And when I click a button, I get some text there that says start up macro, finish macro, storing clicks to memory. So adding the current click has been added, updating the menu updated, all clicks stored. So as you can see, it'll keep doing that every time. If I put in 100, so it's saying minor total equals 100, checking minor total complete, and then I can click minor, and you can see it's adding 100 clicks. So minor goal reached, not mining, update minor total and reactivate. So you can go for another 1,000 and then update. And you can see it running there like a script, just adding clicks to your game, to your bot, whatever you want it to click on. You could do that repeatedly with clicks, and I'll show game bots in another tutorial, but this one was just to introduce you to the console and writing to the console and how that can be used to identify what your script's actually doing or waiting to do, because sometimes you don't know what your script is waiting for, and it's like how do I figure this out, and well, this is how you figure it out. So thanks for watching, guys, and as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please take a moment of your time and like and comment if you find any of these tutorials helpful at all, and subscribe to the channel to get notified about our videos. Thanks for your support.